There's a lot of dealerships around, and we like the fact that we've been here for 40 plus years, and I can actually say that my boss is here every day. We're not the biggest dealership, but there's people that come from all over just to deal with us because we're not that same cookie cutter just trying to get people in and out as quick as possible. Most of the customers that come to see us have been coming here for a long time, and that word's gotten out. Now the ones from Delray to Hollywood to the Sawgrass, they all want to come see us. So we end up very busy, but it's worth the wait.